Okay, kids, guess what's happening? A blizzard just started. We're getting a huge snowstorm tonight. It just started snowing. We're gonna get like 3 to 6 feet of snow. Feet, not inches, feet. So, Max and I just came outside to look at our poor inflatables. Look at these guys. They are having a rough time. Okay, kids, we're gonna check on these inflatables. We're gonna let them stay up for just a second because I think we're gonna go on a quick sled ride. All right, guys, so let's just look at these poor guys. Look at this snowstorm. It is just gonna pound us tonight. These poor guys. We might even have to just...
It was blowing too much snow in my face.
Oh, is it really? I'll protect you with this. What do you think, Max? Should we take these guys in tonight?
I'm doing a camera too.
Because it is New Year's Day. Oh, yeah, it's still on. You can push the side button. There's Max's action camera. And he's gonna...
I'm making a video too.
Yep, he's making his cool video.
I'll make a video in the video, Max.
Okay, and then we'll put them together. So we're gonna go on a quick sled ride and then we're gonna decide if we're gonna bring all these guys in tonight or not. Baby Pengy, little baby Pengy's cord appears to not be working anymore, so we're gonna have to check him out. We'll be right back, guys. We'll see how they're doing. There's Max in his sled. You ready to party, dude?